Hello, welcome to Capsim Capstone 2024-2025. The top 10 winning tips for win on round lesson 8 combine or combination of R&D, marketing and production to win on rounds. They are all very important decisions. I show you the detail now. So you will start each round with R&D here, right? So each round we update the performance and size and MTBF and mean time before failure or durabilities of the product. If you want to set the number here can change, but this is the most optimal number. You can get MTBF from here. You have 5 segments here, and you see the most optimal to MTBF here for the traditional 19,000 for low end, around 14,000 for high end, about 23,000, right? And for the performance, because performance is very important, 27,000, and then for the size, about 20,000 is okay, right? So that's and performance and size. I show you again. You can use the Excel file here to calculate for that. This combination of table 2 and table 3, the origin of the number come from here. Industry condition report. You get 5 segments here, and then you get table 2 here. The R&D for 8 round, but you need to update one time more with table 3. So R&D the most important thing, and for R&D you need to develop new product here, and then you can get advantage. If you don't develop, it's okay. After a few rounds you will lose because competitors, they watch this video, they can do the same, and then they can double sale and double profit in the 3 segments they focus on, and then you cannot compete because if they produce more they get lower costs, right, and higher profit margin. So think about that. R&D most important thing, and then marketing, right? If you have marketing, you need to set the price, you need to set promotion and sale and calculate the sale forecast. For the price, you can check here for 5 segments. Traditional, low end, high end, performance and size here. You see the price range for each segment. For example, price range here for the traditional, they are not so important, and then you can reduce the price. And then here for the low end, the price is very important. You need to get the lowest price. And then you see the price here for high end, not so important. You can set max price. For the performance here, price not so important. You can set the max price. And for the size, price not so important. So you can use this Excel file and keep track of the price for 8 rounds for the 5 products, right? And another thing, you can check the top selling product to set the price better than competitors, right? So you check the traditional here, you see the top selling product here. So set the price close to that. And then for the low end here, you see the top selling price here, and then you can adjust the price. And then you see for the high end, for the performance and for the size, top selling product. So each round, remember to check the report here, right? Traditional, low end, high end, performance to set the right price. And also you see that R&D, marketing and production, the 3 key decisions to combine to win. So you need to check production to do the sale forecast, and then you see the inventories here, and then you see the buy more capacities, increase automation for each round. So they are 3 most important things. So do not divide R&D, marketing, production for 3 different students. You need to do that together to win, right? If you separate that, you cannot win. And when you understand the mistake, it's too late. So combine all of them. If you have any question, you can send the email to wincapsim2012@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success. Check the other videos for the new and more lessons.